Hello everybody and welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna and today we are going to do month 2 of the Dragon Fruit quilt. We are doing these pieces in this block, and once we get these done we will put this block together and it will be in each of the corners of the quilt. That'll go here, 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 and here. So we are making, again, 4.5 inch blocks. It will be the square and the square, all of them. And these are the fabrics. So these fabrics will go together. We're going to make 4 of each. And then here we go. Oh. So those are the fabrics we're going to be using. So let me get the strips cut out, ready to go, and we will be back. Okay, I have everything cut out. These 2 blocks are economy blocks. So we've got the square inside a square inside a square. And then these 2 blocks will be a square and a square. I was thinking they were all going to be this, and I was looking through the pad of papers and I was going, they didn't give me enough, so I had to look a little harder. And that's because they kind of blend in together, so you can't really tell it's an economy block almost. But I will show you how to do one of each, and then I will do the rest off camera, and then we will put these blocks together with last month's blocks. So let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, just to let you know, you will need your rotary, a cutting mat, the add a quarter ruler, which is very handy. You can do it without, but this is very, very helpful. A bookmark or something to help you fold your papers, and a glue stick. And I also just got myself one of these tailor clappers, and so my whole block will fit under there. So I'm excited to start using that. That will help make my blocks flatter. So what we're going to do, you start by changing your stitch length to between 1.5 and 1.8. I've got mine on 1.6, and that helps make the perforation of the paper easier to tear off, and it makes the seams just a little stronger because you're doing a lot of handling. So I'm going to start with the pear block. This is one of the economy blocks. And I'm going to take piece 1. Oh, I also drew on the back of all my papers. I used a light board and just copied the lines and the numbers. That's just something I like to do. So piece number 1 is the only piece that goes right side up on the back side of your paper. You work on the back side of the paper when you put your pieces down. So I'm going to put a dab of glue, and then I'm going to put down block number 1, and it easily covers a 1/4 inch all the way around. So I'm going to go between 1 and 2, fold the paper, grab the ruler, and trim. Then I'm going to grab piece number 2, which is a green, and line it right up with the edge there. And then I'm going to lock my stitch at the beginning, sew, and lock my stitch at the end. If your machine doesn't lock, you can do a back stitch. Okay, and I'm going to do number 3, and I could have easily have done that at the same time I did the other side. Whoops. I need the ruler. Okay, and then I will iron these open. Okay, then I'm going to do 4. Grab my ruler and trim. And 5. Whoops. So now I can grab 4 and we'll sew that on, and then we'll do 5 the same way. Give that a press. Then you're going to do 6 and 7, and then 8 and 9, and they are all done the same way. So now we've got the big yellow ones again, the same fabric. We'll press that open. Okay, these are going to get done the same way. There's just not as many pieces. I'm going to place number 1 down, turn it over, and trim it between 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. Okay, this time we have these white background pieces. And now we will do 4 and 5. Just need to peel the paper back. Okay, I'm going to work on the others and then we will trim. Okay, I've got all the blocks put together and we're going to just trim them just like we would any other block. I'm going to put a line up there. Then you can line up here and here. These are 4.5 inch blocks. Like that. And now that we've got them all ready, this is how they're going to go together. And we will just sew the rows together, and then we will sew the rows into a block. So let's get started on that. Okay, now I'll press those open. You want to check your orientation on your pattern because that's very important in this quilt. Okay, let me get that ironed open. Okay, here they are. They're all done. The corner blocks are put together. The seams are pressed open. I'm thinking I might go ahead and tear the papers off because my daughter's here and she likes to do that, so I might just let her do that. But I'm excited. I hope you guys are having a good time with yours, and thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.